Hello, friends! Today we are going to learn new words about a very special day in Vietnam, Vietnamese Independence Day. Flag. This is the Vietnamese flag. It is red with a yellow star. Say it with me. Flag. Parade. On Independence Day, there is often a parade. Soldiers, students, and people march together. Say, parade. Celebration. Independence Day is a big celebration. People are happy and proud. Say, celebration. Fireworks. At night, the sky is full of beautiful fireworks. Boom! Bang! Colorful lights. Say, fireworks. Great job, everyone! Let's say them one more time. Flag, parade, celebration, fireworks.
Subscribe to our channel and watch our longer videos to keep learning and practicing English.